Hi, good morning.
Oh my god, guys! Wantally.
First time eating.
Mahavir Rabdi. Pawan has opened the window. Most famous place.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
For their kachoris and their food. Such an idiot he is. Guys, I told you.
Owner of the car.
Owner of the car. He doesn't like coming in the video. My bestie is coming.
Class kachori.
This is the view. She's a Marwadi. Kamagani, welcome to the Pink City of India, Jaipur. Hey, so our next stop was a Jantar Mantar, which is very close to Hawa Mahal. Amazing structures, 3D models, mathematical structures, which was too much for my head to process. But I enjoyed, had fun seeing all those models. And then later, Pawan was a little hungry, so we stopped by. Our next stop was the Birla Mandir, which is so beautiful. Because of photography restrictions, I couldn't shoot much. But if you visit Jaipur, please visit Birla Mandir. And then we went to Mahavir Rabdi Bandar. Hi guys! So now it's too noisy, but now I'm at Mahavir Rabdi Bhandar near the bypass road. Actually, in Google, when I search, there are a lot of Mahavir Bhandar. But then when I asked one of my friend who's from Jaipur, उन्होंने बोला, he said that go to the bypass one. So we are here and we have ordered a thali, their platinum thali, rabdi thali, and they are very famous for their rabdi and their sabzi and their roti. So let's see and let's enjoy and eat. Okay, so at Mahavir we ordered their special thali which had rabdi, pyas and paneer ki sabzi, raita, some dal and some curry and their roti which is huge. And by mistake Pawan and me ordered two. Actually, we both of us didn't know how big it will be. And there are two special kind of chutneys, mirchi ki chutney I think that was, and it was so good. Look at my face when I tried the pyas and paneer ki sabzi. It was amazing, guys, genuinely amazing. And I had the entire meal with their chutneys, the mirchi chutney. And after that, both of us enjoyed our meal, had a little chit chat. We finished our dinner, and then Pawan dropped me back to my hostel. So that's all for day one. Let's wait for day two.
Hi, good morning. So today is day 2 in Jaipur. I just got up because it was really late night that I came back, and now it's I think 9 o'clock. I got up at 8:30. I had some work. I finished that, and there's no signal. The place I'm staying, like zero signal, but the view is amazing. I will show you the view. It's like beautiful view, but the only problem is there's no signal, nor Airtel works nor Jio works. There is no signal. I'll show the view. This is the view. It's that beautiful from here, like just greenery, but yeah, it's nice. Now I have to get ready, and I told you my best friend's coming, so I'm waiting for her. She will come around 3 o'clock ish, so we'll go and pick her up. So then let's start day 2 and let's go.
Hi guys! So I'm all ready now, and for breakfast it's only 12 actually, but because by the time we got ready and came, we're at Rawat, which is one of the most famous places for their kachoris and their food. So I've come there. Now let's try their kachori because I'm very excited to try their food. So let's try and see. Let's go. Okay, so at Rawat we ordered their famous pyas ki kachori, their kesar puri, sweet, and rasmalai, of course, because rasmalai is personally my favorite. You listen to the review, which is the next video where I'm explaining how the food was. But trust me, my most favorite out of all this, which I ordered again and I ate, was the kesar puri, which was amazing. Like, I don't know, it was something like the chum chum sweet and wrapped in malai. It was out of the world, like I swear. And then the Pyaz ki kachori was my first time, and I had a great time having Pyaz kachori. It was really, really nice. You know, it was different, and their filling was so much. It was not like just hawa puri and then in between just a little bit of filling you get. ऐसा कुछ नहीं था, पूरा filling था, बहुत ही मस्त था. पवन और मैंने बहुत अच्छे से खाया. हमारा ब्रेकफास्ट था ये, तो ब्रेकफास्ट तो मस्त हुआ. उसके बाद एक और चीज़ खाई जो मुझे बहुत पसंद आई, was मिर्ची बड़ा, which was मिर्ची and then उसके अंदर was a filling of potato. So वो बहुत अच्छा था guys, genuinely.
हाय. सो अभी मैंने प्याज कचौरी खा के एंड देन वी एट केसर पूरी आई थिंक, फिर रस मलाई लिया था तो, एंड आई थिंक मिर्ची बड़ा इट्स कॉल्ड. आई लव्ड ऑल ऑफ देम, बट ओनली थिंग दैट आई फेल्ट वाज प्याज कचौरी के साथ दे डिडंट गिव एंड ही ओपनड द.
So sorry guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel.
And it's raining, it's pouring, it's full wet.
It's wet, not me guys, not me.
Oh god, I'm not showing you his side because he doesn't like coming in the video.
You didn't have to tell that in the...
Yeah, he does not, but I will still mention and put across his video in the beginning when I met him yesterday for the first time.
Oh my god.
When I got excited, I was like, hi!
Wish
Okay.
me luck guys.
But,
Oh my god.
but,
She is so going to kill us.
yeah, kill you!
Yeah, no, I will tell you. Kaveri opened, she was very interested.
I have video proof!
Oh, shit. Yep. It's okay.
And who was that she? You will get to know really soon.
Soon.
That's, I told you my best friend's coming. I'll show you who that is. But yeah, I was talking Pyaz Kachori. It was very nice, but the only thing I felt was it was a little dry because they didn't provide any sweet chutney or
hari chutney.
Yeah, hari chutney, nothing. That's the only thing that we felt, but the filling was very good. The taste was very good, and mirchi bada was my favorite again. It was so good. It was so nice, spicy, and the filling of the aloo inside the mirchi was very nice. And also in sweet, I really like the kesar puri that we took. It was very different, like a roll, and it was very nice. Rasmalai again was not my favorite because I think the amount of kesar powder or something that they have put in the making of it was too much, so it just hit like the sugar rush kind of thing. But otherwise, it was very good.
And we're twinning.
Yeah, we're twinning. We're in white. Can I show them?
Nope.
You?
Nope.
I'm white. He's also wearing white. This is not planned, but yeah. Now we're twinning, and we just saw that after like half the day. But yeah, we had a nice time in Rawat, and it was a nice choice. Now it's raining, it's pouring, as you guys can see here, everywhere. But let's see what we'll plan next. I think mostly we're not planning anything. We're
We're
just
going to
going
get the car washed in this rain.
Yeah, we're getting the car washed in this rain because our very dear, my dearest best friend, I told you,
The owner of the car
owner of the car,
wants to get it washed.
she will kill both of us, not him only. She'll kill both of us, and she's already given us a warning yesterday that I will screw both of you. But let's see what we can do. Hopefully, we'll try and get the car washed inside out before she arrives. She's arriving by 2:30, so we have to go and pick her up from the railway station, and then it's gonna be fun, guys. So okay, let's see what we're gonna do, and we're stuck for now in the rain in Jaipur. It's raining and there's a lot of traffic also. So let's see. Let's go to our next destination. Guys, I told you my bestie is coming. That's all. And you guys would have seen her in my stories and all in Instagram. She's my best friend. Yeah, a lot of time. Yeah. But yeah, she's my best friend. No, I posted for her birthday. Now I keep putting Chumma. Yeah. But yeah, she's Alu, but AKA Sanskriti Dalmia. And she doesn't own the Dalmia cement. But yeah, she's a Marwadi. Yeah. And now we're going to the bangle making shop. And that's the man who doesn't like being in the video. But yeah, let's go to the bangle making. Let's go.
Okay, फिर आलू आ गए. आलू के आने के बाद I wanted to buy some लाख के bangles. That's called लाख, the material. So I bought some amazing bangles for myself, for Amma. And in the process, Alu wanted to show me that it's unbreakable, which I asked her that, is it breakable? And she said no. And she broke one bangle, but they didn't charge us because, of course, wo laख can be melted and that can be rebuilt. After that, we did a lot of shopping. I bought kurtis and we bought Kolhapuri slippers. Amazing. Like, we had a great time just before dinner. Hi guys. So a lot of things I have missed vlogging. Mainly because Alu came back, as I told you, and this guy is honking on to me. So yeah, as I was telling you, Alu came back. So with her, I forgot everything. So we did a lot of shopping. We bought bangles. What bangles are they? Alu? Lakh bangles, and it's beautiful. I'll show you those bangles. And we were talking, and Alu broke one also there, by the way, because she wanted to show me it was unbreakable. She's like, it's unbreakable, and she broke it. But they didn't charge us for that because they can melt it and use them again. But I bought some beautiful bangles for my amma and for myself as well. And then we went for some kurta shopping, and I bought some beautiful block print kurtas and chicken curry kurtas and some amazing kurtas for myself and for my sister. And also we bought some amazing Kolhapuri slippers and some nice jutis. It's amazing. I just forgot to vlog all of them because I was with her and we were having fun and we were bargaining and she was bargaining. Amazing bargainer she is. And Marwadi. but she's an amazing businesswoman. And now we are going somewhere to chill. It's already 8 p.m. So we are in the car and wantedly Pawan has opened the window. Such an idiot he is. He's playing around with the car windows. But yeah, we're going to have some fun, like fun in the sense just chill and just have some time because me and Alu have met after so many years. Okay, I'll cut it. But okay guys, let's go and see in the cafe. Okay, bye. So for dinner, Alu suggested that we go to Paro, which is kind of a resto bar, and it was really nice, aesthetic, chill kind of vibe. But the food was not that great. We ordered very less also because we ordered 3 different kind of cocktails, which was I ordered some mango something khatta, and Alu ordered something related to marshmallow, and Pawan went for something really subtle and something safe, which was pina colada, and that was pina colada was the only drink which was good out of all. So you will see Alu drinking my drink and giving her reaction on that. So you'll understand that it was not that great. But for food, we ordered mutton biryani, which me and Pawan had because Alu is a vegetarian. And for her, we ordered something different. And we ordered starters malai broccoli, I think, which was again malai broccoli, I think was very good compared to the biryani because biryani was not like biryani. It was something like, I don't know, I don't have words. But seeing Alu's reaction, I think her marshmallow drink was quite okay, and that's what Pawan is saying, that I ordered pina colada because it's on the safer side. And now you will see Alu's reaction drinking my drink, okay, because it was, I don't know, I can't explain the drink, it was just out of the world, I think. But we had a great time at Paro. If you visit Jaipur, then do visit Paro. It's on the main streets of Jaipur, and it was kind of open till late night also because we went very late. We went around 8:39 p.m. and we stayed there till 10 or 11. Okay, so this is an attempt where we both were doing cheers, but then Alu forgot to take the broccoli in the fork. But then the balai broccoli was really good though. But the biryani was average, like it was, I think, 10 out of 100. And the raita was actually way better than the biryani if you compare. And yeah, so we had a great time, we enjoyed, and then we left after dinner. That's all we did for my day 2.
Look up, bro.
Oh my god, guys!
I want to take a picture.
What's up, guys? What's up? Woo!
You're not visible over here.